Ah.
Yeah, you know Jeffrey's been somebody's bitch for the past 3 weeks, right? I know. Yeah. Hey, what's up, CJ? What's up? What's up, man? Wanna go to prison? What? Nah, think of Jeffrey. He's touching down today. You wanna roll? Yeah, for sure. Jeffrey doing locked up anyway. We'll talk about that later, man. Let's roll.
Oh, I'm gonna pick up like right when I left off the last time. Just remember. Ah. Spam that though, yeah.
Good to hang with you, brother. I'm sorry I couldn't.
Yes, Claude.
Hey, it ain't Jeffrey no more. It's OG Low. OG Low. Oh yeah, he's a real gangster now. I see. What do you do? Anything he can get thrown in jail for his career, joyride, parking fines, or some other bullshit.
Decent driving, I have a few less crashes and shit.
Look at this fool, man. Hurt Cherry like he banging, think he hard.
One favor dickhead,
I know that
cuz.
fool can't be serious. Hey, what's happening with you, Jeffrey? Hey, man, it's OG Low, homie. OG Low. My bad. How was it, though, homie? Man, what you think? How was it? Hey, chill out, dude. So what you want to do now? Man, I gotta kill some chola motherfucker. He was dissing me, man. Hey, Jeff, I thought you was going to, college.
Yeah, this is on party. What's my name again?
He's in East Flores.
My name Tupac. Kind of favor Tupac.
What's your plan, nigga gangster? Now you a free man and all. And I ain't free. I'm gonna roll up and line me up with a job. Motherfucker always trying to keep a player down. You got that right. Still, ain't so bad. I'm gonna be a high G technician. Coming up in the world, huh? Just a stepping stone to greatness.
Yo, so can I mother, yeah, man. I drive like a dirty taxi man right now. I'm not gonna fuck. I don't know about them purple guy there, but police here, this one can't bother. Ooh! Open foot broke. Ooh! My bad. Right, me never did try running over. Ooh! Another one gone to the dogs. Unfortunate. Ooh, purple boy them. Nope. Where does it? Suck on a mother, one after the other. Since no bad. Oh. Alright, that never did necessary.
Ain't this Fargo's hood? Man, I don't give a shit. I'm gangster. Come on, let's leave Loke to deal with Casanova. Hey, I'll stick with Jeff. I mean, Loke. Okay, cool. I'll see you guys back on the set.
Knock on the doorbell. Cool. Before me do nothing else, I gotta put it on a cheat, man, cause if you're not cheating, you're not try, is it? Oh shit. Wrong cheat. No, some of them by heart. It's so yum. Ah.
Freddy, I'm coming for you, you motherfucker. Hey, Lo, hold up. Jeffrey, you got the wrong idea, man. That was just a prison thing. I got plenty of muchachas on the outside. I don't need your scrawny ass.
No, Jeffrey. Jeffrey. Fire burning a Jeffrey.
I'm gangster. You dropped the soap, sugar.
No, Jeffrey.
Nothing about any rhymes. Hey, motherfuckers making a run for it. Hey, Lo, get back here, nigga, you crazy. Hey, yo, back off me, CJ. I gotta protect my rep. Ooh, chase me.
Shit. No bucket boy gone. Rasclot. Alright, my bike skills them not really all that good. Fucking hell! Ah, shit. Ah, shit, bro. Sorry, go. Yo, why that sit me out so fucking fast, yo? And this fucking piece of shit no stop talk, bro. No, cause Rasclot. How am I not dead?
You were king, Cupid.
How am I not dead? How am I not dead?
I ain't been high, y'all, but I can't believe my lying eyes. Hey, what the hell did that mean? I don't know what I just said. But check it out, I'll say it again.
I must catch him now, you know. Rotted! Bro!
Catch me if you can.
Bro, like... How am I so ass? Why am I so bad at this? Yo. Shit, I'm going on the opposite side of the road. Alright. Shit. Feel the mission, dog.
Ready. I'm coming for you, you motherfucker. Hey, Lo, hold up. Jeffrey, you got the wrong idea, man.
Fuck all of that.
Ooh, chase me.
Okay. After a very horrible start, again. That sounds so wrong.
I thought you were king, Cupid. Don't fuck with no pro.
And Jeffrey, I don't know why you're coming involved me with your battle business, Jeffrey. I will look at what the fuck you name. Why you come involve me with the battery business? Oh, what them light post you make out of?
Catch me if you can.
Yo, yo, I feel like I'm about for rage. I feel like I'm about for rage. Oh, it's ready to get away again.
The very best music throughout recorded history. You just jump off a bridge and die.
Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy.
You want something, G?
Yeah, batty boy upon the bike business. Yeah, but
Ooh, chase me, chase me. Gonna set you free. Gonna set you free. Gonna set you free. Gonna set you free. It's gonna set you free. Come on, honey, I'm losing my patience. I like the fact that I'm so
yo, I'm so tired, I'm so fucking over this shit. Alright, you know what? Fuck you. Fuck, yo. I can bring my brother here with me. I need to calm down. I need to calm down. I really need to calm down. But they are, how much minutes? 17 minutes. 17 minutes.
love that record. Ooh, chase me, chase me. KDST, the home of driving rock radio with me, Tommy Nightmare Smith. Hope you're having a nice life.
I fucking hate bikes.
She's alright. My baby's clean out of sight. Don't you know that she's some kind of wonderful? Oh, what's the holdup? She's some kind of wonderful. I like the fact that nothing's still last.
Kill him, kill him, kill him.
I thought you were king, Cupid.
Yo, what the fuck, yo? I don't know how that bike can even still operate, bro. I think my driving did horrible. I think my driving did horrible. Ah, God. Ah, God. Um. There's after this something I can do to make this shit easier. Maybe on the whole day with this shit, I have to find some way of to kill. I need to find some sort of way to kill a brother, like, without doing all of this, bro. But I need to cheat the game somehow, bro. Cause I can't do this run up and down behind this little.
Hey, Lo, hold up.
Fuck all of that.
People witches progress after all. Oh, chase me, chase me! It's fun to laugh at other people's misery, isn't it?
I'm running on air. I'm walking on clouds. I do exercise.
Again.
Get out of my face. I want to shop for more sports equipment I want to play sports in. I need to get more from life. Much more. I need to get high, really high, high on air. Oh yeah, these Air shoes really pump up. That's right. You can now buy some air. The science of sports and marketing.
Gotta have candy. Be a winner.
Pump up and slam dunk. Oh yeah.
God, the size of your shoes.
You'll shave seconds off your personal best. Oh yeah. I mean, I can whack off even 4 times a day. Absolutely. Probably.
Yo, what the fuck did them ads say, yo? Like, come on, listen to this shit. Like, what the fuck is this, bro? Yo, this shit hella freaky, bro. Yo. Yo, I am so tired of this youth.
Pump it up with Eris.
If you love to hear liberals whine and conservatives lecture, then stay tuned for I Say You Say.
Future Rebellion. Threatened again. This time we did it. I'm Dr. Phillips.
And I'm also Dr. Phillips. Today on the show, cave paintings in museums make us violent.
The anti-beef movement on Hitler and Mussolini were vegetarian.
And we take on the highly charged debate about test tube babies and actually talk to one.
I have flashbacks. You were hysterics in science class. You know what it's like growing up in a beaker?
That's all today on I Say You Say. We share last names, but that's about it. I'm Peyton, that's my wife Mary, and this is I Say You Say, where left is right and right is wrong.
Or we're easy.
Try to get away again!
Fortunately, it did. I don't know if you saw today's news, so who is in the right?
Freddy get away again! Freddy get away again!
Freddy, I've come for you, you motherfucker!
Oh, chase me, chase me!
And the police and on the case now.
You want something, G?
Come on, honey, I'm losing my patience.
Always a goddamn turn there. It's always that turn, huh? It's always that turn. It's always that turn. Always that goddamn turn. It a mess me up. Yeah, my frame is just dropped while I got. Oh god.
Catch me if you can.
That was L7. If you don't understand, please get up and go away. No, I'm serious right now. It's not being metaphoric, like a coma. Do you understand? Shit, wake up. Good evening. Hey, you just come to grips with your new identity? It's great, huh? All you gotta do is make up the new you, do whatever you want. Cut your hair, dye it, come out of the closet, change your name. I'm Sage.
Can't bet so I'm losing. I take one offshoot road and I'm lose fucking Freddy. Lose Freddy again. Lose Freddy again. Fucking lose Freddy again. I hate this mission so much. I hate this mission. I hate this mission. I hate this mission so much. Oh my god. I hate this mission so much. Great start. Great start. We're off to a great start. I got to say, we're off to a wonderful start.
Take your newfound addiction everywhere. The three-color screen is just like real life. Play games like Morning Missile Crisis. Be the hostages. One-Eyed Monster War. Lightsaber Structure. Zen Squirt. Pocket Ball. Mortal Sand. And Tussle. But be careful, you might go blind. Oh, I'm out of battery. Come on, honey, I'm losing the flow. It was from Private Sword. That's your clock. I wonder if Dad still does it. Exordio, let the games commence. Exordio.
I like the fast ass, not the slow ass.
You're on Radio Los Santos, the home of the newest jams and best records, the place where music is born. Here's a record so hot, it's gonna melt my turntable.
I thought you were king, you fun. Catch me if you can.
I got your trigger, my homie get richer, and then just taking that back to the neck. So you better run it.
Get from the Bomber Club. And him gone! Him gone again! Him gone again! Him gone again! Him gone again! How long me I gonna stay on this one game? It's been 27 minutes, cuz. 27! This one mission I drained the life out of me, bad man. My god.
After all, until next time.
Ooh, chase me, chase me.
Brave News, WCTR, West Coast Talk Radio.
If you're into exploring it,
Oh, shit! By the Ultimate Disc in the Dark Association of America, who encourages you to get out and play hard. What? Hello, I'm James the Easton, world traveler, and this is the Wild Traveler. We're discussing the world with all its many pleasures. Let me put it like this. I have a hot dog from an uncaring vendor at house.
Come on, honey, I'm losing my patience.
Fucking run off to.
Animal things, and you can discover them for yourself. Come along, I'll take you there.
I like the fast ass, not the slow ass.
Why for that?
It's Cherry open the sparkling water. Elegant, handsome, lovely.
Yo, what the fuck them light posts I make out of?
We can only unite by visiting
Who make them light posts? Alcor? Rascal.
himself.
I thought you were king, you fun.
We mustn't force our way and culture upon other peoples. Rather, come on. Maybe Hemingway was right about love. Maybe Ford was. We're all fighting inside to let the wild creature mate. I travel, therefore I am. This is a show that embraces culture from around the world. Let's take our first poll.
Yeah, I totally agree with you about Australia.
You're right, catch me if you can.
Oh, yes, fantastic forms of recreation we had in Colombia. It's a blizzard of excitement. And cheap. The rails are great. Long.
Bro, what the fucking bike there? Bro, what the fucking bike? Yo, sucking a mother with a buy views fucker there. My God, say I know, I'm not do that. Oh God. Oh God.
I'm coming for you, you motherfucker! Hey, Lo, hold up!
Right, man. Love a bit of punch up. Fix my wife.
Ooh, chase me, chase me.
Great start again. Great start, but you know, I stop beat up myself over this shit, bro.
Because in boxing, unlike most sports, grappling works downward. You gotta be kidding me. Hey, Derek Thackeray, don't shit on no one. But, I do like this up there. Shoot and I see two, not really on it, so stay out of the way.
Yo, the 5 games, that ain't rigged, is it?
Of course not. Hey, how could anything professional be? Hey, there's too much money at stake for one of
Come on, honey, I'm losing my patience.
for a few extra million when he could earn that over a number of years getting his brain turned off. Be serious for a minute. Feel my leg. You want something cheap?
Yo, the bike you have to make out of tungsten, bro. Cause ain't no way, bro. Ain't no fucking way, cause.
This is WCTR, proving that radio is better than TV. That's the show men with large guts love.
Oh, kids.
I thought you were king, you fun.
A lot of good American values, but how to have fun? For family entertainment that doesn't stop. Head on over to the Starfish Resort and Casino in Las Venturas. You deserve this kind of fun. Water slides, shooting range, and the kids love the Giggle Dome.
Catch me if you can.
Life lessons about real capitalism.
Dad, I lost all my money.
Learn a valuable lesson. Son, it's time for your first blackness.
Yeah, good.
Time is meaningless in the...
Ow! No fuck with no go! Get out of my face!
Busting myself and soul to kidney. That's my girl.
Share the love with your family. The love of money. And the Starfish Resort and Casino has the best buffet in Las Venturas, featuring our world-famous bacon tron. The Starfish Resort and Casino. This kind of fun should be...
Live from his trailer in the desert.
Space, is it really a or a decoy?
sort of work? Time travel and a flushing toilet. Which way did Newton's toilet spiral? And finally, are women made from sand? Explore deeper and get to the truth. I'm Prt3. This is Area 53. Hello, you're on the line.
Yeah, hi. I'm a truck driver and listen to your show all the time. I see a lot of unexplained phenomena out there, especially in restaurants. I agree with you about the moon. We never landed on the moon. Such a good thing.
Remember, the Russians are optimistic.
Yo.
The Russians are shooting into space a hot dogs and punch. Kind of a going on a fast food kind of vibe. Hey, like that, I should make a better space station than them.
Intriguing. I'd like to.
You know I love the thrill of the chase.
Yo, Freddy, I'm not give a fuck about what you could have like and what you not like. Freddy, I just want to fucking kill you. Is that much?
Who's so sweet?
Military applications. Hello, caller. Hi, my name's Emmanuel. I'm really worried about hackers setting a nuclear bomb after me. You know, through the phone. Do you think it's been done by me? Look, it's good for the economy to really stop. I mean, the phone company, they have your name on the bill. They know.
Cowboy ghost has been haunting my house.
I want you to take off your blouse. Stand at the window. Stand there for hours. Not move. Trapping rogue spirits is dangerous work, especially topless. Take lots of photographs. All right, who's got a theory for me? Next.
Man, love the show. But when are you guys going to start seeing the bigger picture? We're being lied to, man. And guys like you don't help much. You know, you're virtually one of them. So you know what I'm talking about.
If people please just attempt to make sense, that's all I'm asking. Last night, as I was looking
Another broken my heart. Get him, boy.
Yo, I would kill that loudmouth motherfucker. Your ass is mine. Oh, no. I didn't mean it like that. Jesus, help me out here.
Ah, him dead. Thank God. Thank God him dead.
Don't you say a damn thing, CJ.
Oh God, thank God him dead.
Lonely low.
Oh my God.
I like a nice mustache myself.
Oh my God, bro.
Fake ass motherfuckers. Come on, gangster. Let's get back to the Grove. Nah, I can't. I gotta go and sign in for this damn job. Whatever you want. You wanna ride anyway? Sure thing. Let's roll.
Yo.
Hey, those güeros think they own
Hey, take me to the burger shop in Myrona Beach. You're the boss. Cause I'm keen with the hygiene on a right. Mission like a super technician, baby. Come on with that shit, man. Thanks. I really needed you to try it. Shit. Man, I got 17s on the head. You could have did that out here. Because I did it in the joint, it's square now. Yeah, I guess it is. Gangster.
I don't know if you saw today's news. Who is in the right in this case? Is it? I think it's
Yo. I don't know if that's just me. But my friends them kind of see more to place right now.
Kill or be killed, crush the weak, and starve the poor.
Something alright, bro.
It's called My Wife is My Social Authority. For me, much more important etymology.
That's money. They don't know when to shut up and enjoy freedom. Let's go to the phone.
Yeah, alright, here's the deal. I'm really funny. Sometimes just got hire somebody funny. I mean, how is that fair? You know, white, middle class, very erudite. You know, whatever that means. But people just respond badly to me. Understand it?
Are you related to my husband?
I don't think so. I hope not. And another question about politics. Yeah, sure. I know a lot about politics. Hey, can I do your job? You know, I used to be on the radio back in the day.
Even my husband can't do his job. His strange pathetically, Sam. Let's have a real caller, please.
Hi, my name is Michelle. I'm a first-time caller to the show. I wanted to know what you guys thought about the politics and smoking.
Well, this is a simple issue. Smoking. Democracy at work again in our state. Seems like a good thing when you first look at it. But democracy only works when you agree with it. Then it's best to favor a totalitarian state. I'm not sure about this one.
I think smoking is an invasion of my body, and I've always wanted to.
Thanks for the ride, CJ. Don't be a stranger, fool. Yeah, for sure. I'll see you around. Like a quarter pound. Later.
Damn. Damn, that shit corny as fuck. But yo, all that for kill one little batty boy, brother. Like, yeah, no, dog. Never again. Never again, brother. God damn.
Looking real technical, gangster. You ain't run off again yet? No, gangster. I'm here for good. Yeah? Well, fuck this gig, man. I'm putting together a listening party for my album. First, I need a sound system. Hey, I'm down as long as I don't have to go to the fort. What you talking about, fool? Guaranteed I start playing, everybody will come through. Being real OG, I really ain't into rap no more. I'm more into that hardcore gangster shit. Well, that's me, homie.
So like it, yo.
OG Love, baby. Yeah, for sure. But I only like
You look sound like one fake gangster, dog.
Anyway, what you want me to steal? That's what I'm talking about. Love for your homies. Now check it. I caught me a real fly sound system. Goes up to the drive-thru. I think they headed down to the beach for a beach party. Now check this out. I roll with you, and on the way, I can get a couple of freestyles. It's OG Loke in the place. You don't want to stop me with a gun in your face. Yeah.
Ah, that ass, bro. That's ass, bro. Don't rap, put on rap, bro. Put the fries in the bag, cuz. Come on, man.
For life. Yeah, for life, homie.
Put the fries in the bag, cuz. Alright, go to the beach party. Go here, what? And also I got need. If I put one car on it, I guess not. You just take this. Shit! Did a wrong turn a while ago. So I go. Was it that? Yeah, I want police that. I'm gonna talk to the DJ. Alright. Kinda gonna change the game just a little bit. Put everybody rich. Everyone is rich.
Just looking for some fun.
Well, hey, let's dance, sugar.
Yeah, for sure.
Let's see what you got.
Be better. not a bad dancer.
We don't know each other.
Pretty good moves there, buddy.
There goes the neighborhood.
Checking you out, man.
What are you doing?
Yo, it's harder than it looking, a dog.
Those were some new moves.
Man with no rhythm.
Not bad, not bad.
Yeah, whatever music this one I give man for dance, dog.
That's a bomb. You getting the hang of this, honey?
Rock and roll. Let's dance our scene in here.
Follow direction.
You dance great.
Follow direction. Follow direction.
Well, you
Kinda
don't
miss.
totally suck. Everyone thinks you're cool. That was the shit.
Alright, I'm gonna do better than I expect. 3,900, bro.
Yeah, for sure. That sounds nice.
Let me pick you into my office. Is it all the girls?
What's happening, old boy? Love my new house. And it's
No!
It's a nice day for a white wedding. It's a nice day to start again.
Alright. I get there quite smoothly. No hiccups. No fuckery. There you go. Tragedy happened. People are dead. Well, NPCs are dead. I must say that. What the fuck? Thank God. I made it, brother. God damn. Bro, I make it, dog. Jana. BSOG. Alright, I feel like I need to go back to the growth. I can run and go back to the growth.
My kind of music. This is a plaid shirt free zone, people. We're rock stars, not lumberjacks. Morning. Time to say goodbye to the tramp next to you and crank up the rock.
Alright. Get her from them.
Let's play some more music.
Alright. Decent driving. Keep that for now. Next mission.
I could drive as well as CJ, man. I'm telling you. Hey, homie, what's up? Hey, what you saying about me, fool? What's up, man? I'm saying that the East Coast made you drive like an idiot, fool. Man, you always crashing cars and shit. And for some reason now you back. All it is CJ drive here, CJ drive there. Bullshit. Man, why don't you just take it easy? No disrespect, man. But you can't drive for shit. Thanks, man. Nah.
No, you don't come disrespect my driving like that, bro. Like, I can drive better than a whole lot of combine.
CJ was cracking. And you know something? You right. Cheers, CJ. You can drive, homie. He's tripping. I'll let that go. CJ, you asshole. Where we going, homie? Rolling Heights, Ballas Country. Do a little drive-by, huh? You know something, matter of fact? You are chauffeur for this new year. Come on. Gee, thanks, G. Just don't drive like no fool.
Not at the expense of record sales.
Hey, we've had so much swinging. Remember, don't swing at your wife, swing with your wife. It's a lot more fun. Time to get rough.
Yeah, Ballas turf. You dogs ready? Yeah, for sure. I'm ready. Carl, just concentrate on the drive and we'll take care of the shooting.
Ah, boy.
Listen to the man, fool. Try not to park us up a tree or something. Yeah, if the car stops, we dead meat.
Shoot and run business. Alright, ready. Road.
Speed up a little bit. Shit, get us out of here. We sitting ducks. Stab out of here, CJ. Let's go.
Why the fuck she have one whole back, bro? I want the NPC there.
Speed up a little. Finish. We iced them, CJ. Let's hunt down some more. Get us the hell out of here. That was way too easy. Let's go blast on some more quality food. Get out of here, CJ. Let's go. What you waiting for, CJ? Find a smoke baller so we can cap. Smash on it, girl. Smash.
Just like me, baby. I'm a true
He chooses parties, do bar mitzvahs, anything. I can sing, I can dance, I can act. I'm a true entertainer, girl. It makes sense. Can't you just see? Preacher, I want it. Peter Mike, you know how we do, baby.
This is CSO 303.9.
Yeah, Rogan's back, man. Rogan's back. Yeah, for sure. They was slipping, man.
Man, I'm shocked you ain't get us killed, CJ. Check myself. I'm dead.
Hey, Carl, ignore that fucking shit.
Decent driving, decent, you know, we kill everybody with no problem. We can't look a bit bang up, but I know nothing, I can't fix. I can't patch out, that.
You're down with the Grove and the ballers know it. So watch yourself from now on, CJ. Yeah, for sure. You know that. I'll see y'all later. Here, take this. Go get yourself some beer.
Oh God, thank God, thank God, thank God. Thank God, bro. One more mission.
What you doing? Digging graves?
Damn, where the fuck I put it, man?
Put what, nigga?
Man, the fucking water. Need a little something before I go deal with things.
What things, fool?
My homie LB told me about this army motherfucker who got all the guns we need. Not that old school Emmett bullshit neither.
I'm down. Let's roll.
Jill, you always down, homie.
Well, the mission name home invasion, you know, I forgot breaking up your place and them thing there. Anything or anything, yeah, man.
Man, you want some of this?
Nah, man. I'm cool on that. Where we going?
It's still overlooking East Beach. Better yet, you better wait till it's dark. Guess the motherfucker Wiley in bed.
Yeah.
No, like, I wish my friend them could have, like, better, bro.
Come on, nigga, what you
Let
waiting
it
for,
go.
love?
But something that I can work on for the future, you know. I'm not fret myself over that. Only have control over things where you can control. One thing you say you can't control, outside of yourself, irrelevant.
What is this old motherfucker? When the hell is it?
Relax, man. We ain't there yet.
Jill, right, Carl. You always right. That's my homie, Mr. Right.
Shut up.
You can't stop me.
Who can't?
Whatever.
Bitch better have my money.
Really, I try to vibe to touch the police car there, like I want to level. I can't bother with that. Can't bother with that, bro. Is it, my bro? Why this someone a place after this so far? That me wanna know.
Let's storm the place.
Hold up. Let's creep in, grab the guns, and bounce out.
Jill, I got it ninja style. Right. Come out, you old bastard.
Shut up.
You're the brain fucking stupid, you dog.
Buster, Carl.
Oh, the Ryder, dog.
Go. I'll keep
Ryder, fucking idiot. What about Obama? Obama a fish, dog. Man, come in and chat to talk about Obama. Yo, what go on? Are you name Latino, what? Big up yourself anyway. Oh shit. I'm good, bro. You? Come on, I can't really know English that good, but
Commie bastards!
English good, bro. Go
Let's
on,
get up out of
go on,
here.
teach yourself. How the hell? I failed the mission, though.
Ryder, where the hell you at, man?
Fucking Ryder gone left me, dog. I failed the mission. No, bro, I'm not Diddy. That's crazy. I ain't no Diddy, bro. Like, nah, son.
Get in, fool.
But I forgot to drive there all the way again.
Anyway, great. Big show for you this week.
Oh,
Not sure
God.
they'll be giving me a Pulitzer. Anyway, today.
What is this old motherfucker? When the hell is it? Relax, man. We ain't there yet. Chill. Right, Carl. You always right. That's my homie.
But like, since a year, Latino, whatever, you know, Latino Papi or so on, so
Whatever.
subscribe, bro. It's free.
Stack the decks in which
Subscribe, bro.
entertainers
But you know, eventually, I feel like I'm gonna stop play
Jack
for the night, cause like, goddamn, my work come on.
Dinosaur, an action hero relic from the 80s, a muscle-bound
So like, where from, cuz?
and my favorite, the most stupid gorilla in the jungle. Jack, welcome to the show. Good to be here, Dick's pleasure. So your movies Exploder and Annihilator got America through some tough times, and I was also a huge fan of
Alright.
0 seconds to
Almost there.
but miniseries
Don't care about about general public. Ah, big up yourself, cuz. Thanks for the sub.
Let's storm the place.
Alright.
Let's creep in, grab the gun.
Alright, so this time I'm gonna try my best. But I make one magas nice because this pussy will ride like a word on left, man. Oh, so I have to creep like that. Cool, 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 cool. Alright. 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 Cool and deadly it is, you know, cause no noise. No noise. But take my time. Don't run. Man, I hear I so much smooth like I got you smooth like a knife through butter. Doubles in the chat. Doubles in the chat, cuz. How may I put this on it?
Keep it coming, CJ.
Alright, back on the inside. Wait. There's no more crates. Latino, Papi Chulo, big up yourself. Big up yourself every time, cuz. Thanks for being here. Appreciate you. Oh no, I make too much noise now. Alright, take your time, man, creep. Shit. Yo, this shit up rise up my anxiety like damn, bro. Like cuz go for a mission already, you know. No, I'm not talking about that tonight. No. Can't do that to myself. That's incrimination, bro.
What I tell y'all? You're making a killing.
Fuck that. It's one thing I noticed this boy Ryder. Man, I really within a dog. If you ever fail the mission, bro, the man go left you. Fuck. And the last box, the way over boy. Salt, you know? Bumbucklad. Cool and deadly. Cool and deadly, my father. Cool and deadly. No, it's not the last crate. One more than I'm done. One more than the mission over, hopefully. I think so. Because if it's 5 crates in a cause. Oh boy. Almost there. Alright. Alright.
You a natural housebreaker, homie.
No, like shit. How much box is that? Is that like 2? Is that like 2? Shit, I have more for the dog. Yeah, the whole of 3, like, that's crazy. And it's like 2 minutes left till daylight. No, it's 3. It's 3. Two minutes left, like, you know what? It'll get done. It'll have to get done before the time up. Oh, fuck it.
Get off my ridge, you Vietcong bastards!
Please don't get up. Please don't get up. Ah. All fucking I get up. Thank God. Thank God, yo. Thank God. In the chat say thank God. Everybody say chat. Thank God. 2 more, 2 more, 2 more. Oh, shit. Feel like I'm there with him right now. If I talk extra low. Like, look, don't shout. Nobody shouts. No shouts. Oh, shit. Why am I choose to start run? What the rest of the box in there? The rest of the crate them. Oh. Alright. Alright, one more to go.
Take him for everything you can get.
One more to go, bro. One more. Shit!
Bastards!
Shit! Oh god. Oh god.
Let's get up out of here.
Get off my ridge!
I'm gone. I'm gone.
My ridge, you Vietcong bastards! Smoke.
Let's just get this stuff out of here.
No.
Bastard sherm head.
Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh shit. That is in the chat. That is in the chat, brother. Try you would like. I never expect to get away with it.
What I do? You the one who woke the crazy old bastard up. We gotta lose this heat, man. There's a paint shop in Idlewood should be able to take a band this big.
Him now hold on for me, you know. If anything, I did before them hold on for me. That is in the chat. That is not a chat, cuz.
It's a favorite show with serial killers and stalkers. Lonely Hearts is next.
Don't care.
After the sultry anonymity of 19 today, you're on
Soon I forget where though. Do you want to do some reacts, but bro, I don't really feel it. I don't really feel like it. I don't really want to rush my thing, is it? No, you know what? Fuck that. I do at least one react.
Hi, Jenny. How's your
My birthday's broken. Broke my
Ah.
arm, broke my wrist. I'm wearing my daughter's sweetheart. It all went wrong. And now he beats me every day.
Stay with him, honey. After all, you're only lonely.
All right, now we straight. LB got a storage garage down in Seville Boulevard, family turf we can use. I'm on it. Seriously, Ryder, man. You gotta give up those sticks. Lady, what? When I give up the water, you give up being a buster. Hold it right there, homie. Buster. Forget it. Get you, fool. One day, you're gonna wish you hadn't pissed me off.
Boom.
Did I hear something? Sound like the buster complaining again. Man, this is childish. And I ain't talking to you no more, fool.
These shoes are so expensive. Yeah, listen, my wife's been brain dead for years.
Oh, I'm so sorry. You seemed all insensitive for a second there. Possibly ruining my career. Would it help if I slept with you?
Probably not, dude. No, noted.
Oh. Don't want no police from a trail.
Crazy? That's very informative. You know, last night I wondered what it would be like to be married. Then I watched My Five Uncles. God, I love living in that house. Remember, a heart can mend, but a divorce lasts forever. Unless you meet to a widow. Hello?
Why is your car on the sidewalk? I was just calling up there and I was listening and I figured out, you know, that I can help out some of y'all. So, this is none other than Jesse.
Alright. Fuck all of that.
Fucked up again, CJ, with your crazy ass plot. Now we headed back to Payne Spray.
Seriously?
Good grief, that's not the way Lonely Hearts works at all. I want pain, misery, desolation, all the important things.
Hi, this is Tamara. I'm a
Bro, I am not going to let these people stop me. These police, they're none of my business. You guys are not gonna stop me.
broken off all contact and is married to someone else. I killed the gazelle and sent his heart to him in an envelope. He liked it so much, I told the police and even the newspapers. Then I burnt down his place of business, and now I have a special surprise for him.
Ah, pretty boring. Isn't that really beautiful? That's all we have time for. If your heart is lonely, listen to other losers and you won't be lonely anymore.
Yo, these radio shows are crazy, bro.
Away from people, which is progress after all. Until next time.
I hope you enjoyed Lonely Hearts. It's always fun to laugh at people's misery, isn't it?
If you crave news, WCTR, West Coast Talk Radio. Relationships can seem like an eternity.
Like, I can't me want to listen to these radio shows as well at the same time.
My sister in that hot tub.
Relieve the pressure. Chill that bitch out with ice. A diamond lasts forever. But your relationship right now, a diamond is love. Rock hard and frozen in time. Luckily, most women are shallow and materialistic.
Oh, a diamond. So you do love me.
Nothing says I love you like a lump of carbon mined by wage slaves in Angola.
I don't even know what I was mad at you about. Do you want a blowjob?
Passion. It can be purchased.
W is in the chat.
Yeah, that was a real breeze. Say, CJ, you gotta get it in your head that this is everyday shit, homie.
Mud. Alright, so you hit that. Well, you wouldn't hire for the one more mission, but feel I'm gonna call it a day, cause work a morning. Have to be on my P's and Q's and come on to that. So yo guys, thanks for watching. Thanks everybody for being here. But man, I have to call it a day, bro. Like
Okay, look, I'm car.
Good seeing no, bro.
Alright,
Give me a
homie.
second,
Just
hold
think
on there.
about what I said.
Feel like I play one more game, bro. One more mission, one more mission. Fuck that, one more mission, just one more quick mission. I'm stealing your car. I'm jacking your shit, I don't care. Big smoke, rolling smoke.
The war is final, and we can only unite by visiting these epochs of culture. The man killing himself, smoke cigarettes, dressing gladiator clothing in delights. We mustn't force our way to culture. Maybe Hemingway was right. Maybe Ford. We're all fighting inside.
Leave it out, right?
I travel, therefore I am. This is a show that embraces culture from around the world. Let's take our first Oh, yes, fantastic. Visible sight. Sheep. The rails are great. Olivia's not bad. I'm surprised to find out that the party never stops.
How's the food?
Well, enlightenment is the most used to cook up food. But scarcely time to try. These fascinating people feel so comfortable they rip your clothes off and howl for days. Next call.
Yeah, hi. My name's Jeff.
Asshole.
Nah, this shit, nah. Me nah go beat it, me nah ignore that.
Those nosy motherfuckers won't leave me alone. Think I'm Mr. Big or something. But I don't tell them shit. For me, it's all about my homeboy Coffee. Yeah, whatever you say. Gang is real important, CJ. You know that. You down to represent, baby? Yeah. Look, my cousin is coming in town from Mexico. I got to go scoop her up. All right, then. Come on.
I'm on a bird's eye view. No bird's eye view, fuck that.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, man, just cool out, homie. Chill. Your cousin coming here from Mexico. Yeah, me and her go way back. Way back. Ah, Smoke, you're full of shit. Don't get prejudiced again in my presence, Carl. Everybody is my cousin.
That sounds suspicious. That sounds suspicious. Yo, man, I 3 rate Big Smoke. Suck on a mother.
My cousin Mary's in there. Sweet, sticky, bud fresh off the plantation. Here, pull up here. Let me do the talking. Man, I should have known.
I'm gonna buy weed. I'm gonna buy weed.
Yo soy El Grande Smokey. And I want that brat. Comprende? Hey, fuck you, cabrón. What? Now that ain't nice. Coffee, yo. Up El Guido before I blow your brains out all over the patio. Chinga tu madre, pendejo.
I'm tell him about him mother, dog.
Fuck this, man.
Dog, tell him about him mother, bro.
Smoke. Shit. Yeah, fuck a big smoke. Remember that night. We gotta stick with him. CJ, this one's all yours, baby.
Now you feel that me they are in favor. What is the fuck there? Oh, seam there.
Jamming ain't gonna stop y'all. Ain't nothing but a jam, y'all. Don't hide in the bathroom. Church, that's for everyone, baby. It's the party. Oh, let the funky bush do his thing. A, B, C, D, B. The funky bush, y'all. Funk upon a time. Yo, let's go to Cool in the Gang. Hey, hey, hey. What you got to say? On the swing with Cool in the Gang and the Funk Monsters. The Funky Bush. Relax, leave that kind of swinging. I'll take you right. It's the party. Those people. What you got to say?
Yeah, I hate that. I hate that rotted. Yeah, man, I hate that, you know. Yeah, man, I hate that. Call it a night.